the bathrooms. But first, let's see what Tech Renata from FHIA has for us today.
I know for several weeks we've been talking about how important it is for the in-home consultation, and this is another great example. This is a new homeowner who just moved in 3 months ago, and she was really concerned about security, not just for the hurricanes because she had the panel shutters, but she was worried that it would be difficult for her to put on the shutters, so it was something that she didn't want to have to deal with in case of a hurricane. But she really wanted something that will give her better security year-round. Also something energy efficiency. She really wanted to enhance the curb appeal of the home and change the look of the front of the house. So we decided to go get rid of the bronze color frame and go with a white frame. In doing so, we showed her a lot of different options from different manufacturers. She ultimately decided on a product from Custom Window Systems that's going to look really pretty here. It's going to give her a sliding window still because this opening is for a bedroom, and we wanted to make sure whoever's in there could be able to get out safely in case of an emergency. So we still went with a sliding style window. Also, this existing window had a crack in it, so it was one of the reasons why she originally brought us right to this window specifically when we met with her, because just like all the windows, the original construction, but when she bought the house, this was already a concern for her. Also, energy efficiency was a big concern for her because this gets a lot of natural sunlight with not a lot of an overhang here, so she wanted something that was going to keep this room comfortable and save her money on the energy bills. So with the Solar Max technology that she chose, it's going to reflect all that radiant heat away from the home, making it comfortable and also saving her that money. So she made a lot of great decisions. I know when the installation's completed, she's going to love how everything turns out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.